just had its midlife update with the newest avionics and weapons, making it highly capable fighter, you can see. Now, the Royal Danish Air Force currently operate 34 F-16s, which are scheduled to be replaced by 27 F-35s in the coming years. It's operated as a multi-role aircraft, executing both air-to-air and various air-to-ground missions. Danish aircraft equipped with advanced lighting, 4 targeting pods, helmet market, queuing system, night visual goggles. F-16s from the Danish Air Force have seen operational service in regions such as Libya, Iraq, Syria and the Baltics. Flown today by Teo, one of Denmark's most experienced F-16 pilots, has more than 20 years of operational service, both as a frontline pilot and as a flying instructor on the type. In terms of positioning, I think with a slow speed, high alpha pass, down the display line, speed draining off the pitch, picking up, the nose going higher and higher as he slows down, higher angle of attack, just sitting waiting to unleash that raw power which he'll do down on the left-hand side of the display line to climb away, just whispering past the Falcon ready to be unleashed. A wondrous burst of power shortly. Visibility from that cockpit is quite superb. You'll see that when he comes into land. Single piece bubble canopy, pilot sitting up quite high, and fantastic all-round visibility. In terms of armament, air-to-air missiles can be loaded on each wingtip. 6 underwing hardpoints are available, along with 1 under fuselage centerline hardpoint. Long roll down the display line. States and Venezuela. Positioning now for a dirty roll, the gear and the flap extended, nominal roll of speed, soon to pitch up and roll, and when inverted, retracting the gear and power away. And it's a good looking airplane. So that's the wing rocking out.